Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to get a Google Maps API key free. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to visit the Google Maps platform website. Search for Google Maps Platform to find the official website. Once on the website, click on the Get Started button. On the next page, click on the Select API and Services from the left sidebar. You'll need to enable billing on your account. But hold on, Google offers a generous free tier that includes a certain amount of usage per month. You won't be charged unless you exceed those limits. Enter your credit card details and simply click on Start Free button. And then, you will be able to access the Google Maps API for free. And there you have it. With your free API key, you're now empowered to integrate Google Maps features like displaying locations, finding directions, and much more into your project. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.